Hi, Assalamualaikum. Firstly, good morning, sir. I hope you are doing good right now. So, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. Well, I am Aiman from the 60. So, today I will start this presentation with a very direct overview of what you can expect. Nothing fancy, just to the point and fast. Firstly, I want to apologies for you because today it's raining outside, so it's maybe affect the sounds quality. Without any further ado, so today I'm going to talk and explain to you about function of each document. As we know that each document has its own function, so it is important for us to get the document needed in order to complete the K1. For example, we need to have bill of lading, packing list, invoice, and certificate of origin. So this is one of the example of the custom number 1 that we got from OAL freight forwarding. So about the first document that I'm going to explain is packing list. Packing list is a shipping document that involved during the shipping process in order to complete the form and also to do the clearance process. So if there is no packing list form, it will be hard to the custom to check either the item is similar as it state on the BL or invoice. So the exact purpose of packing list is we want to know about the detail about the content of a package. Packing list is one of the shipping document that come with delivery package, usually in a attached pouch or within the package itself. So we moving to the next document. The next document that I'm going to explain is the certificate of origin. The COO is the document that is needed to complete the custom form. It is a legal document that certifies goods for lower duty rate. So a certificate of origin is a document that declaring in which country a commodity or good was manufactured. The COO contains information regarding the product, its destination, and the country of export. So the COO is also important because it can help determine whether the certain goods are eligible for import or whether the goods are subject to the duties. And furthermore, the duty requirement depend on the type of goods being exported and the locations or destinations where they are going. So alright, so now we move to another document needed, which is invoice. So the invoice is also one of the documents that are required to the custom before the item can be declared and making some clearance. Moreover, the invoice required by custom to determine the true value of the imported goods for assessment of duty and taxes. So it is a legal document between a supplier and also to the customer that clearly describe the sold goods and the amount due on the customer. The commercial invoice is one of the main documents used by custom in determining the custom duties. So we move to another document needed. So the other document needed is bill of lading, or we usually call BL. So first and foremost, the BL is the evidence of the contract between the carrier and the cargo owner in order to carry out the transportation of the cargo. Also, the other major function of bill of lading is as receipt of goods. It can be as proof of receipt of the cargo by the carrier to the shipper. So with me, I have an example of the bill of lading that OOL manage. So the consignee is Happy Cup from Malaysia and shipper Enders Food. So they are doing import goods, which is the ingredients to make a bubble tea from Taiwan. So first impressions, we can see that the items that state in the bill of lading is quite similar to the custom number 1, but it is not same. Plus, it states here that they only use one container only. So, based from our visit to OAL Freight Forwarding, the last document that will issue is arrival of notice. So, basically, the notice of arrival will come out to the agent or consignee first before the cargo or the ship arrive at the port of destinations. So it will be easy for us to make sure there will be no problem during the process. So another function of arrival of notice is it is to inform us that the vessel or cargo is about to arrive soon at the port of destination. Basically, the arrival of notice will come out before a week or a few days before the cargo arrive at the port of destination. So it will be easy for us to manage it before it's come to the port. In addition, in the arrival of notice, it will state the name of the vessel and also the detail about the vessel. So it is also contain the feeder that is used for the shipment of the product in the arrival of notice. To recapitulate, as a result from the assignment that we receive for the subject custom and procedures, we are required to select one type of item and do a deeper investigations regarding of the type of the product that we are choose or selected. We have had good cooperation with OAL Freight Forwarding as we carry out the works. So furthermore, we are required to identify the use of goods. So for the assignment, we choose the food product as our assignment research. So from this assignment, we are able to understand the flow of import and export process. Also, we have been able to use the HS code to know about the tax that incurred in of the product, because in the HS code itself, it state many item, but its own item has its own special digits that state the tax. So we need to particular to choose which one is the right HS code of the product. In addition, there is a lot of document needed for us if someday we are enter into the industry and we work as a freight forwarder. We have to master ourselves with those documents needed. It is because as a freight forwarder, we need to know the use of each documents, because it's every document has its own purpose and speciality. And another, I mentioned again that we choose a food product which is item that make a bubble tea from OOL Freight Forwarding. So that's all from us. Thank you.